What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you don't know me, they call me Robbxace, and as always, I'm here to create that fire for you and your family to enjoy. This week, I will be making another custom anime jacket from Hunter x Hunter, and if you like this video, hit that thumbs up, and if you love it, go ahead and tap that subscribe. Let's get to it. So as always, we gotta start with that design first, but I was looking for Canary related images and I could not find anyone with some flavor until I stumbled across this DeviantArt fan art from years ago. So after doing some research, I found out it came from Rachel Scotland, and you can follow her on Instagram. She has amazing work. So I'm gonna try to make this jacket have this same kind of design. You know, we got to add that crispy white base so that all of the colors pop, and since we're using such bright colors, this is an essential step, and you have to make sure that you do several layers of white for this painting. Y'all already know I be moving too fast, and sometimes I forget to press record, and I skipped over the part where I did a pink ombre going from pink to white. But the next step after that, I take some paint, put it on my fingertips, and splatter it on the back of the jacket in the places that I wanted it. So it adds a little depth and a little design to the painting. So everything about Canary's look was fire. Her hair was nice, skin glowing, clothes was fire. So we got to make sure that is depicted in this jacket. So make sure that you get the lights, the dark tones blended real nice so it look realistic. So after we got that skin and makeup done, we had to take her to the salon and make sure her hair was right. So I tried to add depth by taking my brush, lightly dabbing it in light paint and kind of dabbing it in the hair, and adding these little swirl designs to add that texture as well. Last but not least, we had to add a little sauce with that navy blue suit. I think in the original anime, she had a black suit, but I like the fan arts design better with the navy blue. So we're gonna do that. We didn't put in the pinstripes or anything else because that would have been a lot more work, but hopefully you guys like the finished product. Here's how it came out. I love the look. The person I gave it to, they love the look as well. So hopefully you like this. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up. If you love this video, hit that subscribe button. And as always, I hope to see you again soon.